Hello YouTube world. Pain in the ass goat lovers. Well, pain in the ass goat, and then the people that are lovers of them. Just showing off my cart again, which is a rigid cart, salvaged from, I believe it was water pressure washer on here, and yeah, a Rubbermaid container almost fits in there pretty good. You can see that. You could do a little probably heat up and over this bar a bit or something like that. But you can see the load I had on there, and it's simple to move. So that's full of grain. Or there was an awesome deal I got on some damaged bags and stuff at the grain feed, so I couldn't pass up on a couple of extras, and I will be needing them anyways. I love feeding the wild birds. There's nothing like it when they're hanging out about. But anyway, so there, I'm just showing you right there. Like, that's just with my right hand here. It's wedged against the sidewalk there. Look at, I'm using one finger to pull that back. And then with this on there, there's about the balance point. And even to get her going, you just have to go, and then she starts to, no problem, and it's easy to balance. But if you come across one of the rigid carts, this thing could be modified to handle a lot of different duties, actually. I've gone down these stairs with them when there was something that I didn't want to carry. And, yeah, they're great for goats to try to eat whatever you have on there. Yeah, I guess I should give him a treat, but the goat text that I was going to give him is in this container. Anyways, peace out from Chico.